We are starting on the garage disaster.
Yay, finally.
Organize and declutter with us on this garage series. We're doing
It may take us a while, but we're gonna jump into it today, finally.
Getting it started. Okay, try not to trip.
Okay.
This is what we're starting with, and how did we get here? Let me explain a little bit. We've been working on back-to-back projects in our home, renovating things, and also my husband is a finished carpenter, so he stores a lot of wood in here and all of his tools, surfboards, bikes, just everything is in here, and we've never had a plan, so that's what we're working on now. Hey, here's the missing broom.
I know, I saw that under the pile.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna go.
Goodness. Well, let's maybe put it out.
Honestly, I'm gonna tell you right now, this was a purchase gone wrong. I bought these packing blankets for soundproofing when I was trying to video, and it really just didn't work. So
Yeah.
Grant's been using them for projects, but I don't think we need this many.
I don't know how many you have.
We have a lot.
Okay, well.
We have a whole bin full. They're called packing blankets. Then we have that whole full bin, and then we have these. So maybe I can donate them, or
Just
you
save
know
one. No, but just save one bin.
Okay.
I can ask people I know who
Yeah.
do things.
I'm gonna get them out of the way for now.
All right.
Okay. This is all tangled up. First item to declutter right here, kites. We bought 2 of these shelves to build because we want to get the ultimate amount of storage, ultimate amount of storage out of this garage. We're gonna put one over there, and then we're probably going to get another one and have 2 over here. We'll wait and see, but starting right now, we're gonna open this up and start building it.
I'm trying to wrangle the baby.
I've built these shelves before and they do go together quickly, but it took me about 5 minutes of staring at the directions to try to wrap my head around how to get started with this. This is not as quick and easy as I imagined, of course. My mom has taken Levi and she is feeding him a late lunch while I start putting this together. The plan here is I'm putting this together before my husband Grant gets home because I really need him to be here to tell me what wood he wants to keep and what we can get rid of and what other things he might not need in here. While a lot of the items in this garage are family items that we all use, there are quite a few things that he brings home from his jobs that aren't being used, and he thinks that we could possibly use them on our home since we're redoing everything. But then a lot of the times the things don't work out and we just have a pile of extra wood, or for instance, we have a sink on the side of our house that we didn't end up using, but because it's free and it's gonna go in the trash, a lot of the time he will take it just to see if we can end up using it. I also want to mention that we were going to do this project a long time ago, but life just kept getting in the way, people getting sick, getting better, and just life in general. So I'm so happy that we did buy these shelves when we did a while back, because now we have them and we're just ready to go. I'm one of those people who thinks I can get way more done in a day than I actually have time for. So I thought we would get this project done a long time ago, but I'm glad that we're working on it now, and sometimes chipping away at things is really what gets it done. Here's my question. Should we wait to put those additional shelves until we know what we're putting on there? To know what height?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
After taking a break for lunch and getting the kids from school, we're back at it cleaning out, and finally Grant got home so we can get on with this. All right, hold on, we gotta back it up for you. Tall people coming in. Okay, I just found the best dad ever, and we're gonna go through this wood.
No head.
So what to do?
This is our height difference. Look, turn around.
I'll stand over here.
Okay. We're ready to sort this wood. Let's go.
Is this how you store your sawzall? You got the point.
Grant ended up removing the blade, thank goodness, so it's a lot safer now. And then I'm just picking up random pieces of wood and asking, can we get rid of this? And most of them he's saying, sure, get rid of them, and then he's checking the bigger pieces. What would be a garage declutter and clean out without starting to saw some wood? We're keeping that one? What about this? People were very upset that we threw away the one without the cord. Can you tell them that it was okay?
I mean, I got lots of charges.
And what about these?
No,
These are trash? So this has just been actual trash just sitting on the floor in here. Okay, this is good to know. These are going straight into the trash can.
On screen, off screen. Oh, in the trash.
Here we're just discussing all the different pieces of wood that he might want to keep and what he's going to get rid of. This was the one thing we needed to go through. Okay, so let's put all the pieces that we're keeping over there for now. Let me take you guys with us. Grant's been storing some stuff on the side of the house that he just doesn't want to deal with, I think. So many things are going. The radio's going, this random can of paint, the bike is going, the basket is going, and all of this and all the wood along that way is going. Let's do a micro-organizing project really quick. This is figuring out what's going on in here. I'm just quickly sorting through everything and pulling out what is clearly trash, and then the other items can be put with like items. Now that this bin is empty, I'm going to take all of these drawer slides that he wants to keep and put them in here. And then I can get rid of this drawer that came from one of his projects that he's not going to use. Now we can store these drawer slides for a future project, and we can get rid of the drawer that they were sitting in. A lot of these things come home from projects from his work. She's back.
Yay, hi. Are you done yet with the garage?
Yeah, we're all done.
All right.
We just finished having a big debate on whether we should put all of this wood and junk that we need to get rid of out front on the grass and then quickly call the guys to come haul it off, or if we should store it on the side of the house because we already have a bunch of junk there and we have a few projects going on that we should just wait and have all of it hauled off at the same time. I was under the camp of let's put it all out front and call them quickly, and then we can always call them again to come and get everything if we need to. But then everybody else seemed to be under the camp of let's just throw it on the side of the house and call them to come at one time, but that's fine. That's what we're gonna do for now. This is the first time I've seen this wall, I think, since we moved in here, because we've been hoarding wood for so long. And of course, that is what happens when we have projects going on. But I am going to quickly clear all this out. And as the big debate went on between my mom, me, and Grant, we are gonna store everything for a short time till we can get the guys to come. I'm putting everything here so we can call the pickup one time and have them come get it. Here I was casually moving some wood that I was gonna put on the side of the house, and then this is what happened. Sometimes. I'm not over exaggerating when I say there were probably 5 big black widows on that piece of wood, but as you saw how it fell, I think they were all dead at that point. So I just left it there for a little while and then finally carried it out with all the rest of the wood to the side of the house. As I was doing all this wood removal, thankfully my mom was helping with making dinner and Grant was out front mowing the lawn. So we were getting a lot done at one moment. The kids, I think, were doing homework and playing, but we really got so much done in this one area. I was absolutely shocked at the progress, but it was a ton of work. Let me tell you, a lot of trips to take all that wood outside to the side of the house. I want to get Grandma's reaction to all the wood being moved. Oh.
Wow. It looks like when you just moved in. Ah, shocking. Wow.
We'll be ready to put the things there.
This is happening a lot faster than we thought.
It is?
Yeah, I'm shocked. I thought it would take us all day to get that.
My master plan for this garage is not only to clear out what we don't need, get rid of the trash, declutter and all that, but I really want to get it super organized. And I know I've said this before, but that is just my dream for a garage, is to have it so well organized that there's no question of where things go and how to put it away.
Got my gloves. I can't do it without gloves.
I set this bin on here just temporarily so we could see where the best placement would be for the shelves, and I did the same thing for the upper shelf, just trying to make sure we put them in a location where at least some of the bins that we already have will fit on there and work for us.
We'll have to adjust. We're still going to have another one, so that we'll have a lot of room. It's going to be wonderful.
We'll see how it goes. We'll see.
It'll be fun.
It'll be wonderful, hopefully.
It'll be fine.
Am I even filming our face?
Okay, I have to make an adjustment. Do. Okay. Yay.
In there.
Now
Is it like a white background?
it is because the door's open, so there's a way back.
Flying off.
I'll let you do that first. Yeah.
Are you
because-
sure?
Yeah, because I need to stand where the wood is to get close.
Okay.
Are we done?
I keep asking. It already feels amazing, just the few things we've done. After we build these 2 shelves, I want to figure out a way to secure them to the wall. That's really important to me.
Yeah.
So actually, see how our water bin is on there with those metal clamps,
straps.
metal straps? I think we just go get those and then we can put them however we want. As you're watching this, I just would like to share a word of encouragement, which is just that all these projects are definitely worth the time and effort that they take to do. As you see us slowly putting these things together and it taking a lot of time, I know that in the end, I will be so thankful that I did this, and it will really solve a problem that we've had for quite a while since we've moved in here. And also, I just want to mention that even though we are very minimal, in my opinion, these are all things that we need. We run our business with these items, and there are things that we do need in life. So while it would be fun just to declutter everything and join the circus or something, there are things that we actually do need to function in our lives.
We could start our own business building shelves. And cleaning
That is something I would not want to do.
and organizing garages.
That's the business I would not want to be in. Sounds like a fun idea, but it's a lot of work.
A lot of work was doing my garage. That was,
Oh my gosh.
That was massive. I look back at that video and I cannot believe all the work that we did.
We
in
did
that.
so, and it transformed your garage into just so much more space.
Oh,
You
I
got
know.
rid of so much stuff.
I know. I can't believe.
It
When
was huge.
When I look back and I see what we had in the garage and all the shelving and everything that we didn't need and all that stuff we didn't need.
That was crazy.
Yeah, I know. It was. I'm so happy with that.
I know, and we did all that, and I made the video, and I feel like it didn't even get that many like views, but it was, if you want to see it, we'll link it below. Your garage was just a huge transformation. That was
Humongous.
like over a week,
Yeah.
I think, of doing it.
Dad was out of town and we just did it really quickly.
Yes. Okay, so that should be good. Yeah, because your garage, even though it wasn't as messy as our garage, but your garage was very clean and organized, but had a ton of stuff that you didn't need.
Stuff I didn't need, that was it. Yeah.
Or you weren't using anymore.
Yeah.
You used it at one point.
Right.
Not anymore.
We didn't need a ladder that went up to the, 5 stories high.
Let me know in the comments what projects you might be working on in your home, or are you currently organizing or decluttering anything? I love to talk with all of you in the comments. And I also just want to say thank you so much for being here and being part of my channel. I really appreciate it. So next we had to move over these surfboards so we could fit the shelf where we want it to go. Where is she? Oh, there she is.
Hi, I'm hiding.
You're hiding behind the bulbous cranium.
Your humongous bulbous cranium.
Our inside joke is the bulbous cranium. One time when we were driving somewhere, my head was in the way, my mom couldn't see, and she said, "Move your bulbous cranium," and that has been our joke ever since. So now we're just rehanging the surfboards. That worked perfectly fine to move that over. It was so quick and easy. I also want to invite you to join my email list. It's completely free. I will have the link down below in the description box. This is just a weekly newsletter that I send out with encouraging words for decluttering. I also notify you of any blog posts that I've written or anything that's going on here in this community. So I will definitely link that down below so you can join if you are interested. I'm so happy with the progress we made on the garage so far, but there will be another video showing the final product with all of the organizational systems that we put in place. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It's quick and easy. Just hit the subscribe button, and I will leave some videos up here on the screen for you to enjoy in the meantime until the next video comes out. Thank you. Bye.